Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing TakeFast US30 EA for MT4 based on the information available on the MQL5 Marketplace page. This is an expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 developed by Victor Hugo da Silva Senhorinha. Starting with the marketplace overview, we can see that TakeFast US30 EA is currently listed at a purchase price of 597 US dollars. The current version displayed on the product page is version 10.0, and the developer positions this EA as an advanced trading system that combines artificial intelligence with traditional technical analysis. As we move through the product description, the main focus here is the use of recurrent neural networks, specifically the long short-term memory or LSTM technology. Okay, so according to the developer, the EA is trained using data generated from technical analysis indicators. The purpose of this process is to identify which indicators have the greatest influence on future market movements and then use that information when making trading decisions. The marketplace page also explains why LSTM networks were chosen for this project. One of the characteristics of this type of neural network is its ability to analyze time series data while considering both short-term and long-term historical information. According to the developer, this allows the system to process a broader range of market data when evaluating potential opportunities. Since the information provided on the product page is relatively concise, there are no detailed recommendations regarding trading symbols, time frames, minimum deposits, broker requirements, or specific trading settings available in the description. Because of that, I'll just focus only on the information that has been explicitly provided by the developer. Looking at the overall concept of the EA, the key feature being promoted is the integration of artificial intelligence with technical analysis. Rather than describing individual indicators or fixed trading rules, the developer explains that the system is designed to learn from indicator-based data and identify which inputs are most useful when forecasting future price behavior. So this approach is different from many traditional expert advisors that rely on a fixed set of conditions. According to the description, the objective here is to use machine learning techniques to evaluate relationships within historical market data before generating trading decisions. Now, let us transition over to the backtesting section and review the historical testing results. Whenever I evaluate historical testing performance, I view it as a way to understand how an expert advisor behaved during a specific period of market history rather than as a prediction of future outcomes. From what I can see here, the EA seems to have generated 76% profit over just 2 weeks in 2023. All right, but of course, this is insufficient data. Anyways, let's also head over to our strategy tester. Let us see how the TakeFast US30 EA performed on gold XAUUSD on the H1 time frame over the past 3 months in 2026, March 22nd to June 22nd, using the every tick model. So here, the initial deposit was $10,000 and the total net profit was over 25%, precisely 2,523.7. So the total trades taken were 466, out of which 82 were profitable. That's quite small. 17.6% win rate. Wow. The largest profit was 505.7. The largest loss was 118. The average profit was 499.56, and the average loss was 100.1. So I think one of the major advantages is the risk to reward ratio, because the risk to reward ratio here is very close to 1:5. So despite the low win rate, the risk to reward ratio was able to cover up and generate 25% net profit in 3 months. But remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. Let's go turn on the visual so that we can also see the EA in action. Okay, so looking through the historical chart activity, we can be able to observe how the EA responded to market conditions during the testing period. Since the developer describes the system as using LSTM neural networks trained on technical analysis data, any behavior observed on the chart should be interpreted within that broader framework rather than through traditional rule-based assumptions. Okay, so when reviewing historical trades, I like to focus on consistency, position management, and how the EA adapts to changing market conditions over time. Because the exact decision making process of the neural network is not disclosed on the marketplace page, it's important not to speculate about specific entry or exit logic beyond what has been officially described. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Testing across different historical periods often provides a clearer picture of stability, adaptability, and overall behavior. So looking at the historical backtest results overall, it is important to remember that historical testing performance can vary depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and any optimization performed by the user. Overall, the TakeFast US30 EA for MT4 is presented as an artificial intelligence driven trading system that combines LSTM neural network technology with traditional technical analysis data. While the marketplace page provides limited details regarding trading parameters and operational settings, it does clearly emphasize the use of machine learning techniques as the core components of the EA's decision making framework. As always, I recommend conducting your own testing and evaluation before considering live deployment so you can determine whether the EA aligns with your trading goals and risk preferences. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next review.